सृष्टि स्थिति विनाशानां शक्ति भूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणामये नारायणी नमोस्तुते. Lighted ripples has sounded in the autumn. Rainy cloud spots from the space of the earth. The arable masses of the eternal mother awakened the nature in all direction. The footsteps of ever joyous Mahamaya resounds in infinite rhythm, as well as bring new life to beauty in tranquility. That is why eternal happiness invites Goddess Durga from conscience to earth and idol. This omnipotent superpower will be the manifestation of the supernatural nature, so the whole world is blissful. Then Lord Vishnu was sleeping on his divine bed, floating under water, when Brahma, the creator of the future, awoke from Vishnu's navel lotus. Then Madhu Kaitava demons who were born from the ear west of Vishnu, they wanted to destroy the existence of Brahma. Brahma prayed to Vishnu for awakening Jagindra goddess, who appeared from the body of Lord Vishnu with a dazzling beauty. At that moment, Vishnu's sleep was broken. Vishnu caught up Madhu Kaitava's head with the running Sudarshana Chakra, and again Brahma became meditative. Meanwhile, the gods lost the right to heaven, defeated by the power of the mighty giant king Mahishasura. All the gods took shelter to Brahma. Mahishasura is invincible by the blessing of Brahma, so the destruction of the demon king was not possible by Brahma. Then all the gods went to heaven with Brahma. They saw the god of gods, Harihar, was engaged in conversation. Brahma narrated to himself the story of Mahishasura's immeasurable oppression. They heard these messages from the deprived gods. When the calm Jogi Mahadev's sweet face turned into red like blood in anger, and the Shankha Chakra Gada Paddodhari Narayan's face became frowning, then to call up the superpower, the great Kanka was heard in the sky. Vishayani Vishnu radiated radiance from his face. The fire emanated from the third eye of Brahma, and all other gods, mountain-like luminaries, filled the horizon with radiant rays like a blazing fire. The radiance came together to form the Paramarupa Bhoti Dibbasri Om and power. She Jagat Matrika Mahamaya. These Adda Devi declares her identity. The beautiful female idol is a part of the superpower of gods. A fireball like a combination of gods took the form of multicolored goddess. The face of this goddess is white, her eyes are black, her lips are crimson, and her palms are copper-like. She began to appear sometimes as 1,000 arms, sometimes as 18 arms. These Bhimakanta Rupini goddess Triguna Mahalakshmi is the Mahashakti. The glorious appearance of the goddess resounded with joy. The good news of advent of the goddess was revealed. All the gods welcomed Mahadevi with great hope and respect. She Jagat Mata Chandalika, the treasurer of Shiva, as spiritual knowledge, which is known as Param Chaitanya Rupa, the superpower Devi be inspired for the welfare of human beings, and the duties given by the gods that revealed before the world. This manifestation became known as the origin of Mahishasura Mardini. The divine decorated goddess is an amazing fighting idol. All the god and goddesses adorned Devi Durga with various ornaments and weapons, and they prayed her to go on a journey to conquer the demons. The world began to resound with the sound of war. Before the journey, all the people of earth and heaven saluted the 10-armed superpower with 10 meditations. Following the sound of the goddess's war cry, the mighty Mahishasura rushed with his armies. Mahishasura noticed the whole world was radiant in the radiance of goddess Durga. Her crown is kissing the sky, the earth is in her position, and the hail is trembled in the sound of arrows. The general of gods freed her from all earthly attraction for having the victory qualities as the superpower. The Mahishasura's fierce began struggle with the goddess. The giant's army was begun to disintegrate at the behest of the goddess. Then Mahishasura changes his form from time to time and spreads various strategies from buffalo to elephant. In a sudden, the king lion was horrifiedly destroying the giant's army. Then an eye-catching man appeared in disguise of that Mahishasura. After receiving the rude rejection of the goddess, he took the form of buffalo again, sounding in the horizon towards the war instrument. Asureshwara is rejoicing in the spirit of defeating the goddess. Then the vehicle of goddess became irresistible in all the battlefields, like Singharaj Devangini, the goddess Durga, wearing various army and ornaments, proudly told the buffalo to kill him while she was drinking divine honey. After that, the gods rejoiced to see Durga had beheaded Mahishasura, and the head of the demon was crushed with her sword. From then, the worship of goddess Mahamaya in the name of Durga spreads all over the world. O goddess Mahamaya, your virtuous hymns are the means of prosperity, good fortune, healing, defeat of enemies, and absolute liberation. Awaken the human world with your prayer, the wonderful inspiration of earthly bliss. Her destructive message is being transmitted to the new generation in all directions for the betterment of human life. So the human race togetherly pronounced, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Kanti Rupeno Shangosthita Namastashay 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 Nama Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Jati Rupeno Shangosthita Namastashay 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 Nama Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Lajja Rupeno Shangosthita Namastashay 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 Nama Namah. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shanti Rupeno Shangosthita Namastashay 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 Nama Namah.